Yo, who's sending the hearts and everything? Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another live stream. We're just chilling now. I am streaming at a very early hour. I don't even stream at this hour. Like, it's very unusual activity for me right now. But we are getting into the flow. Give me some time to actually wake up from my normal life and just become an internet person. Alright, give me some time. And who's sending me hearts? Who's sending me hearts? I don't want to say stop, but why are you sending me hearts? Thank you. Let me just pour some water. I have once again the ass water. You know what I'm saying. The ass water. Not sponsored, because it's ass. But what are you gonna do? I mean, I'm still waiting for my sponsorships from Turkish water companies. They gotta act quick, okay? Otherwise, I'm gonna get sponsorship from truck banner ad companies or something like that. If you're an OG, you know what I'm talking about. Go back in my live streams and you'll see in one of them I reached out to a truck company for some ads, cause why not? All right, what's going on, everybody? Who's watching the stream? I mean, all the people who suggested that I should stream early, they are not here. So I don't know. Where are you? And why am I streaming so early? But anyways, it's about like, okay. It is something like day drinking, okay? It's a weird time, but it's still fun, you know? I don't know why I sound like I have so much experience in that. I don't. Alright. What are we gonna do today? We are gonna do some maintenance. And maybe some coding as well. I mean, it's the same thing. No, not really. Not the same thing, but very close. If the maintenance requires me to write code, I'll write code. Which will probably happen. Alright, let me see my emails. First, hey Ferris. First, do you remember the people who said that I should stream early? Where are they? I was expecting 100 people here. And what we have is instead 200, so I don't know. Wait, I can chat vertically, mobile sucks. Yeah. But how's it going, guys? I'm just drinking water, chilling, grinding. As always, you know, you see the banner, you see the flag. I literally ordered that flag, by the way, off the internet. The printing company was probably like, okay, this is a cool logo. I like the logo or something like that. They probably said that. 100 people, and I was just joking. Alright, we're gonna just dive into it, I guess. I have some stuff in my hands. Not literally, but like figuratively speaking. Under my hands. No, not really. Yeah, under my hands. I can say under my hands because of the keyboard. Anyways, I was the person sending. Okay, thank you for your hearts and laughs and emojis and stuff like that. Thank you. All right, let me switch to the screen. Where's my video now? All right, I feel like I started live streaming today or something. I am so beginner, but I'm actually not. Maybe you can call me beginner in terms of my live streaming career, but whatever. Alright, so what do we have here? Give me a sec. Okay, what? Interesting. I am just taking a look at my emails because I know that I have some stuff to take a look at, but I don't know which one I should see first. So yeah, there's some really easy PRs. Maybe we can just take a look at them first. Really easy ones, like this one. Super easy. There you go. Just instant approval. Instant. Approve. Instant. Boom. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Kuzey Köse. Let me squash this actually. Squash it. I feel like GitHub should use more emojis. Oh, I just approved it at the same time with the other maintainer. Okay, that was interesting. But okay. I guess whoever was faster wins. These stuff are, I cannot believe that these stuff are still open. This is about unmaintained dependency. Alright, whatever, I guess. We're gonna just move on from those very old stuff. Give me a second, I'll just take a look at some other stuff. Damn, this was... Okay, take a look at this. I don't know why I'm getting emails from this project, but I just got this email about a PR. So update license MIT, updated copyright year from 2016 to 2025 in license. I mean, obviously. Maybe this should have been 2016-2025. That would work better. But then the maintainer was like, thanks, but I don't see a reason to update this unless you have an issue with the existing file, and just close that ass. Savage. Dude, open source people are just savage sometimes. I know many projects were like just dead ass closing PRs and issues. They're like, okay, I don't care, I'm not interested. Thank you for submitting. Maybe the guy put like 2 hours of his time into it, and yeah, just rip, man. Just rip. I mean, I'm not one of them, don't worry. I'm just gonna say something polite and close your issue or PR. I'm not gonna dead ass close it, but it's gonna be closed. Just so you know that. No, I was just joking. Okay, send me PRs. I'm desperate for PRs. My brain started to crash when I try to learn Rust. It's normal. It starts to crash, but the good thing is your brain won't have memory leaks, you know. But you can get like panics if you use unwrap. So don't use unwrap, and your brain should be good. But for real though, why does it crash? Why do you feel like that? Alright, let's see. Optimize image. Strip all lossless optimization. This is not really important, but it's like wasting space memory. I don't with OCD in this regard. Didn't realize this file was used in a test. Fix the checksums now. Okay, let's see what happened. I like these little optimizations. So yeah, this logo is cool, man. I like this logo. I just made this, and like this is just a font actually. Nothing very special in this logo, but I want to like get a tattoo on my hand, maybe like on my forearm. What do you think? No, not really. That would be so cringe. Like, imagine. All right, approve. Looks good to me. Submit, review. It's too good me to understand. KG. What is this autocomplete? What is KG, dude? It's the kilograms. I don't know what you mean. Alright, approved. Squash and merge. I don't know why I'm squashing one oh, it's actually 2 commits. Wait, what? Why do we have 2 commits here? It is too good for me to understand. Okay. Okay, I can squash these commits. Finally, you're able to say IT. IT. Is that a TV series or something? I feel like there was a TV series called IT. Hold on, let me check. TV series. IT something, right? There's one. No, I didn't mean this one. This is like This is not what I meant. Whatever. I don't remember. If you remember something like that, let me know. Alright, we got some package updates and stuff like that, but I'm gonna just skip those. There's one about failing Clippy. We can just very quickly fix that now. Let's do that. Do you guys know about the Heh project? It's a nice twee. As always, it's always about a twee. Okay, I can just fix the Clippy stuff in here. Don't worry, I'll get to more fun stuff later. Now I'm just warming up. This is all a warm up. Okay, let me run Clippy to see it for myself. Failure. Okay, it's all about lifetimes. It's all about the lifetime always. My neck is weird. Okay. Why do we have two Clippy checks actually? That's a bit weird. There's like stable Clippy and the Clippy check. I don't know. I guess anyways, let's just fix them. Alright, is it fixed? I basically run cargo Clippy -- fix for this, and that's it, I guess. Let's see now. Alright, get new. Did I actually fix anything like this before? No. Okay. Fix Clippy. I guess search for Clippy stuff. Alright, just gonna copy this message. But maybe I can make it plural, because not really actually. This is like a single int, so we should be good. We should be good. Let's create a PR from this. Enter, submit, and that's it. Okay. Done. Immediately. Oh shit, I just closed my tab. Hold on. Alright, I gotta find it somehow. Let me find that. Apply Clippy suggestion. Alright, this will just succeed anyways. You can just go ahead and merge it after that. Alright, what's next? Oh, there's one in Rustapaste. Rustapaste. In case you're wondering what Rustapaste is, it's an upload server which I use for sharing files, images, everything. My life is on this upload server. So yeah, you can check it out if you want. I'll actually send a link to the chat, because why not? Where are my moderators right now? I thought that I had some moderators, but they are nowhere to be found. Let me see the Discord. Where are my moderators, everybody? Mods. Are you guys on Discord? Ferris, are you on Discord? One second. Let me post this on Discord now. Because I don't know why people don't let me tune in. No. Okay. Alright, I gotta get back to my grind now. Alright, what are we doing? I don't even remember. Alright, I remember it. We were doing this. I gotta approve. Wait, I cannot approve my own PR. Oh man. I gotta wait for the other maintainer, which is actually funny because he is the maintainer. I am the other maintainer. Like, he just invited me to the repo, so I don't know why I'm talking as if he's the other maintainer. He is, but whatever. You got my point. I cannot merge my own PR because it requires one approval from someone. I cannot approve my own PR. GitHub is stupid. I gotta just switch to SourceHub or GitLab or Codeberg. I'll switch to FileZilla. I'm just gonna put my code on FTP. You know, you guys know about FTP servers? That old technology, FTP. You know that? That's yeah. That's the actually. That will be the successor to Git at this point. FTP, man. Fuck the population. Alright, moving on to this. What are we doing? We gotta check this PRs, right? So this has been around for a long time. This has been around for a long time. I don't know. What are we gonna do with this? And there are like a bunch of comments. SourceForge. Yeah, that's another good option. You just put the binary there. Don't downloadable. It's the future. Alright, I'm just gonna draft this because this has been around for a long time. Where do I draft it? Okay, I feel like a GitHub newbie right now. Convert to draft. I hate FTP. I somehow deleted my files. Dude, how did you do that from FTP? Drafted for now. Do we still need this change? Alright, just gonna ask a very humble question here, which will basically give the message to the other people that I want to close this, but I cannot because it's good work here. So it's like, yeah, it's open source communication guide 101. All right, upload limit. This also been around for a while now. I uploaded and crashed and deleted my. What the hell, man? How did that even happen? Sounds like you got some backdoors in your system, man. Be careful. Yeah, this has also been around for a long time now. Anyways, let's see this one. Several breaking. Oh, this rand shit. Oh my god. Right. Oh, shit. That's just a thing that I need to look into. So rand is for a library. It is a library for generating random numbers, right? Introduce several breaking changes. Let's see what are those breaking changes. Policy rand is not a crypto library. Wow. They literally did that. Okay. Rand is not a crypto library. Okay, let's see what the changes are. That's quite interesting, actually. This is more interesting than the breaking changes now. Fuck you to crypto people, I guess. Anyways, it's not that crypto, but you got me. Security and unsafe. Alright, what are dependencies, features? Enable small RNG, but okay, that's interesting. Okay. Randcore traits, read adapter. Okay. API changes, a bunch of stuff. Oh my god. Okay. Only listing relevant was for the change. Rename module rand distributions to rand distr. Rename rand thread RNG to RNG. Remove the prelude. Deprecate thread RNG. Alright, I guess those are okay-ish. Let's see the changes. Rand is bumped, and that's just that. Okay, then that's totally fine. Like, we can just bump that. I don't know why I was so scared at first, but this is actually fine. I don't know why the tests failed though. Generate code coverage. Okay, who gives a fuck about code coverage? Come on. Obviously, I was joking. Everybody cares. Let me prove this now. If I remember correctly, there was other stuff in like other dependency bumps in Ratatouille as well. Have a wonderful evening, gentlemen. Hey, Lucas. How's it going, Lucas? Long time no see. I feel like. Did you get a $1 million job at some company, or did you finally like found a $1 million company, or what are you doing? Why are you here, man? You're rich now. Do you think STD Rand will ever happen? I wish, but I don't think so because of the Rust ecosystem. If STD Rand happens, people will demand STD HTTP request or something, you know? So I don't think it will happen. And I'm happy with the current way. Except that sometimes it's hard to integrate libraries together. But anyways, especially when, when you have a different platform, it gets a bit complicated. I failed. Dude, keep grinding. What can I say? But good try anyways, right? It's good to try. By the way, Lucas, today I got an email. Today as in like 30 minutes ago or something. It was a interesting email. I don't know if you want me to talk about it here or should we talk about it in private, because that's serious. Like that thing was serious. I don't know. I felt very blessed to get that email, but still. All right, Rand. Yeah, this one. All right, I gotta bump this in Ratatouille now. This has been approved. Squash merged. There we go. I didn't know nothing about AI, so writing a AI desktop assistant with custom agents, open source. Wait, that was the project? Okay, that's that. Add image for tests. What is this? This image has only 911 bytes. GitHub just suggested me that when that's gonna get over 1K stars. That's why. Okay, got you. That's very meaningful to me, by the way. Thank you for sending me that request. What's up, Adam? We got Ferris in the chat. No way. Yeah. We got the Ferris and everyone. We just cooking now because we got all the homies. Look at us. We have Lucas. He's building a AI app, I guess. Desktop assistant. Is that? I hope that's Rust, by the way. Are you using Tauri or what are you doing? Oh my god, my back is killing me. Thanks you to even thinking about that. Ferris the crab. Yeah, we got the Ferris the crab. We got inek. Do you know what inek? Inek is? Inek is just cow. It means cow in Turkish. So we got the Ferris the crab. We got the cow. Lucas is just a bread. I mean, he has a bread profile picture. So Lucas is. In real life, I think he's just a bread, like a loaf. Just a loaf, singular loaf. So yeah, we got every item that you would ever need, and every NPC. Okay. Chleb is bread in Polish and some other European languages. I didn't know that. That's good to know. Dude. Wait, what? Image RP. Interesting change. Dude, you should have some kind of like place where you explain your last name or something. Because sometimes I joke about my last name without even explaining it, and that just puts me in a different weird situation. Now that I know that your last name is bread, and I know that you're actually bread, like physically. That makes more sense. I drew it myself in Figures. I can use HTML, CSS. It just sucks to design. Dude, why are you using them? Just use GIMP. I don't know. I'm moving like a loaf of bread during the day. I just eat bread. Lucas, no. Dude, don't eat bread though. Bread has so much the weight, like, how do you say that? It's like, it's not a very quality source of carbohydrates. So don't eat Lucas. Have to use them to get a job. What job are you getting? Is it a front-end job, or what are you doing, man? I'm quite puzzled by your adventures at this point. You first go ahead and crash your whole system with FTP. Now you're trying to learn HTML to get a job. The second one was not that weird, actually. The image RPNG so tested must not be changed. Dude, why do we have the thing in here? If the zip roster and create next PR can create changes that test. I'm not sure what these. Wait, I don't get it. What these? It would be nice to push the other changes to this PR to get an understanding of what is going to happen. Right now it feels like you just uploaded an image. Wait, I don't get this, dude. What is this? Add image for tests. Okay. See this one. Okay, what is this? Oh, remote image access or not stable. Okay. Okay, I guess that's fine then. It's just he wants to just I think this should be okay. I think should. Should in the test as well. Guys, what are you chatting about? I'm gonna check 1 second. Test as well. Here, edit. Okay, I don't like this that much because it just adds a readme file. I would rather we remove this file and rename our png to ptest png along with the hash, maybe. Yeah. Alright, that's my comment. Let's see. Don't eat Lucas Orhun, thanks man. Look, I am the file. Wait, look, I am the file. Crashed. I deleted my system for 3 times. Wait, are you the file? It's an hobby, dude. I'm so puzzled by what you're saying. You're a file. Okay, it turns out the cow is a file. I did that in the era of Windows Millennium. Reinstall that shit at least 3 times a day. I hate autocomplete. But still loving that. Before XP was nothing better except DOS. I still use Windows 7, you know that, right? I am just, this is a VM, actually. I am, like, my daily driver is Windows 7 and you just seeing my VM. That's why it's very slow. Look at this. When I refresh, it just takes forever. I just like Windows 7, okay? Maybe I should switch to XP sometime. Oh man, that brings so much memories actually. I was using Windows XP VMs to analyze some malware. That was fun times. I was a hacker back then. Now I'm just a rat. And crash your system. Fileman crasher. Dude, the cow is like this man is I don't know how you're using your computer. I mean, I can understand that a loaf of bread can maybe able to use the keyboard, but I don't really get how a cow is using a computer. I was using Windows 10 before launched. Is this a flex? Is that a flex now? That's not a flex. Come on. Sounds lame. I was using I gotta just find a better flex now. I don't know. I was using Rust before it was cool. How about that? Alright, I gotta just switch to this branch now. Once I can pull the PR. Pulling the PRs right and left and stuff. Alright, everything has failed. Look at this. It's the life of an open source maintainer. Everything is failing. Every single thing. I wonder how a loaf of bread would actually fight this situation. Alright, the examples are actually failing. That's fine. Source app. Gen Z ratio. What is going on? Which thing is okay? It's just all the applications are just failing at this point. Let me run cargo x task check all features. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. From hacker to rat, that's some upgrade. I still have Windows 3.11 on 14 official diskettes. That's just the ultimate flex now. Nobody can beat you at that point. I mean, 14 diskettes? Dude, I would die to have a single diskette right now because I had it before. I don't know what happened to them. They were like too old. They probably just thrown away with some trash. But in reality, they have so much nostalgic value. I would collect them. I would have like a diskette reader or some shit, and then live my life. Just when somebody asks for a file or something, and just put it on a diskette. I'll just give it to them. I was like, hey, dude, you asked for this thing. I got you. And just they will be like, what the fuck? But so fun. I'm an old bread with some molding. You're not molding, come on. You're still I don't know, fresh. It's really weird to have autocomplete on a PC. I have hundreds of them for nostalgia dopamine high moments. Wow, that's just really good. I like it. What? Okay, destroyed demo is failing. Apps demo 2. Examples apps demo 2. Let's try this. I think there are two PRs that are failing due to Rand. Oh wow, look at this. Bump Rand Chacha from 0.3 to 0.9. That sounds like hella breaking, dude. So many stuff changed between those versions. Upgrade guide. Oh, they have an upgrade guide. That's really good. Alright, that's nice. Security, dependencies. Dude, where's the guide? In the following instructions are provided for porting your code from. Alright, where are the instructions? Is this the instructions? I don't wanna read all of them. Alright, distributions. Okay, run distr. We're gonna use that now. Which module is this? This is really annoying, by the way. This is super annoying. Randcore. Randchacha. Randchacha is no longer an implicit feature. Use std_rng instead. What? What are we making? We are making it happen. We are actually just maintaining stuff. Dependency updates and shit like that. Testing my release workflow, fingers crossed. What? I don't have fingers, so I don't know what you mean. Always nice to have a migration guide. Didn't work. Good luck next time. What's annoying? The annoying thing is this migration guide and like a bunch of errors. It's always annoying to have a bunch of errors. Gonna go ahead here. Demo 2. Hey sir, hey. HM Fakri. Your name sounds weird. Fakir Israr. Sorry for mispronouncing. My name is hard too. That's my excuse. If I fuck up some name, I always say that my name is hard too. So yeah, sorry. Alright, Randchacha doesn't have the Randcore anymore, probably. That's why it's failing. Let's see what's happening. Randchacha. Randcore. It has a re-export, so I don't know what you're on, Rust compiler. Just let me get my seedable RNG. Well, there you have it. So what's wrong here? Gen range. Let's see. It's probably just a. Wait, what? RNG. Oh my god, what's this now? Unsatisfied trade bounds. Alright, I see. I don't actually see, but you got me. Which trade bound do you need then? Just tell me. Gen ratio. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Let's go to the PR that I just take a look at and try to figure out what's wrong. I mean, I was thinking of just writing Rust. Like, I was hoping to write some Rust, but now we just stuck in the dependency hell. What do you guys think about that? We're just stuck here now. Let's make a web app that maps people's farts to how close they resemble celebrities' face. What? Dude, that's fucking brilliant. That's brilliant. Why did you post that in the chat? You should just kept that idea to yourself and just pitch it to freaking angel investors. And then you get the money. Wow. This bro just dropped the $1 million idea on a YouTube chat very humbly. Like, wow. Anyways, thank you for saying that. We should collaborate on that. Just add me on Discord. Okay. Go to Discord. Where are my moderators? Adam, you're not a moderator anymore. Do you want to be moderator and send links to the chat, or do you want to just grind on your own stuff? Okay, I'm just going to send that to my own. Alright, join Discord, everybody. I forgot to include a module in the release. Wow, dude. Rookie mistake. I'm still waiting for my mod. Okay, there you have your mod. You are a moderator now. Yeah, there you go. Thank you for your duty. First we get the money, then the girls, then the khakis. What is that? Anyways, AI fort simulator of the famous people. How could sound checks of the Angelina Jolie generate on what? God damn it. Why is this not importing? Why is this not importing now? Seedable RNG. Seedable. Wait, what? Dude, it's very hard to figure it out. Like, no good error messages, and the update guide does not have anything related to that. So distributions. What actually do we have a dependency on rand or rand cha-cha? Oh, this is because it's not been updated. We gotta update that too. Of course. Are you stupid? What was the name of the thing? Dependable. Are you fucking stupid? Why didn't you update both of those things? I was just suffering here because you didn't update rand cha-cha. Now it will work. God damn it. Alright, let's see. Let's see now. Written Rust, of course. No TypeScript. No TypeScript. If you say TypeScript again, it's gonna be really bad for you. Not really, but no, we don't want TypeScript. Actually, we want to build a. I mean, now we get in the same fucking error. What the hell? Nothing has been changed. You know. This is Rust World. You're in the wrong place. Alright, you know what we're gonna use? We're gonna use Ratzilla. How about that to build that website? Alright, now we are finally talking. You're finally talking. Use a deprecated method. Generate random range. Okay, let's do that then. Random range. Now we are back. We are so back. Gen ratio. What is that now? Random ratio. Why did you just very randomly change the name of the functions? Actually, that doesn't make sense. But anyways, random ratio. What did I do? Wait. Gen range. Random range. Gen ratio. Random ratio. 9 times the charm. Now it will work. Written machine code on a napkin. Napkin that was stolen from somewhere though. You cannot just put it on any napkin. It should have a meaning, you know? So, which napkin? What kind? From which McDonald's? It worked. Okay, good to know. Which project is that, Adam? TypeScript saved my marriage and cleaned my well of bacteria. I guess it's all depends on the tool. If that really worked for you, I'm happy, man. I'm really happy. But you gotta just explain how that happened to us now, because you just say something really curious, and then you don't expect us to just say okay, right? Because that's not normal. What? How much DSA required to know what's going on the code base? What is DSA? What do you mean? What is DSA? I don't know what the DSA is. Is that some kind of a drug? Don't do drugs, kids, okay? If that's a drug, I'm sorry, YouTube guidelines. I didn't know what that thing was a drug. I'm just very yeah, I don't know. Anyways. Yay dash S. No, use Paro. Come on, should I get ready for a ban or something? No. You're fine. TypeScript may save your marriage, but Rust will give you godlike powers. No, TypeScript will save your marriage. Rust will give you god baddies. No, I was just kidding. Don't quote that and don't clip that. Thank you. Data structure and algorithm. Okay, got you. Sorry, I was a bit low on my computer science knowledge a bit. Yeah, if you're talking about this code base, by the way, I know that I'm lagging so hard right now. It's because of Rust Analyzer. If you're talking about this code base, it doesn't really take much actually. Rust will turn you into a furry. Dude, you said something that I cannot disagree. Don't clip that. I'm clipping my own live streams. Why am I talking to you guys? Nobody's helping me out there. By the way, shout out to Adam for doing the first clip of mine. He just really inspired me to keep clipping, so thank you, Adam. Just saying. Our uniform is now returning a result. Uniform. Oh, there you go. The constructions of these now return result in the panicking or invalid inputs. Alright, we're just gonna add unwrap now then. That's fine. Where's that line? 78. Alright, uniform. I guess we're just gonna use unwrap here. Yeah, we're just gonna use unwrap here. Uniform. Sorry, but I gotta use unwrap. Maybe I can use a result though. Do we have a result in here? What kind of result? No, we don't have a result. Wow. Maybe in main. What kind of a error type do we use? Oh my god, the result box dynamic error. That's bad. That's bad. But I guess we're gonna do something like this. Invalid range, I guess. I don't know. Let's try now. Rust have colorful community, that's true, but who cares when you're a hermit? Dude, you are a bread. You don't have anything to do with Rust, actually. You're just the bread, dude. You're just chilling. Just chilling in a bathtub. You're just wet bread. Anyways, man, I wish you got that contract, by the way. We would be so rich right now. Alright, I'm out. Keep up the good work. Have a good one, everybody. You too. My man T9034. I won't forget that name ever. You live in my heart now. T9034. You were asking what project? CLIQ. Sorry, I didn't reply early. I was busy running the workflow for the 10th time. That's fine. What does it do? I can check myself, but let me just fix this first. Weather. Let's see the weather demo. Thread RNG. Just name to RNG now. Thread RNG. Random range. It's a CLI library. Cool, I guess. When I'm rich, I'm gonna donate to Rusty for big NY billboards. That would be so sick. But you know what would be so sicker? Like, yeah, that's good. But how about you do? Wait a minute. I know that I'm cutting off constantly, but give me a second. I gotta fix my camera real quick. All right. You can like buy truck ads for Ratatouille. That would be nice. Yeah, trucks. The like big ass banners. Where did the music go? Music is there. You don't hear it? There we go. Yeah, the truck ads would be so sick actually. Those would be so nice. Oh man. Yeah, this is that, I guess. I don't know if I need to do anything else here. All should be good now. Dude, I really want to have a billboard or a truck ad sometime in my lifetime, okay? That would be so nice to have an actual truck ad. That was a great stream. What do you mean? Isn't this also great? What do you want, Lucas? What do you want from me? Did I drop the standards? My standards are too low for you. I see that. You have changed now that you got the money. You have changed, man. You're like everybody else. You know, I should have never trusted the bread. I never trusted the bread. A loaf of bread just breaking my heart. What's going on? Inline is failing. Inline is failing. Why do we have a dependency on rand in the inline example? That's weird. Thread RNG is just RNG now. This will be even greater. I don't know. I cannot really trust anything coming out of a mouth of a bread now. So I don't know, man. I really don't know at this point. Thread RNG. Let me rename that to. Okay, I'm just gonna do a mass rename right now. Just gonna rand RNG. All right. Gen range. This gonna be. No, it's actually gen range. Random range. What was the other one? Gen ratio. There's nothing. Okay, cool. Let me try to build again. Every Steam is better and pushing the borders of entertainment to new limits. I hope that's the case because I feel like I'm just doing a bunch of unuseful maintenance stuff, which is very boring to watch, and I don't know. I hope that's your real thought there, Mr. Bread. So yeah, sorry for just calling you Bread now. But now that I know that your last name means bread, everything just makes sense. I really like that. That's why I'm saying that. Okay, don't get me wrong, Lucas. I love you, man. You're my favorite bread. But, okay, I'll just maybe stop now. All right, I should just stop. All right. No method sample not found. All right. What? Distribution sample. Distribution. Uniform new. Okay, let me just expect this invalid range. I just gotta expect it, I guess. I mean, I guess I have the right to make jokes about last names because I have the worst last name, very jokeable last name. You know, it literally means fingerless. So if you make jokes about name, that's automatically granted to me because I have the worst one. Absolutely not unuseful. Are you crazy? What you're doing is blessing forever. I'm just blessing the random dependency, dude. I'm actually gonna create a new PR because this is like 2 separate PRs. So we gotta like fix stuff in a single one. All right, let me see. Let me see my other issues here. Ratatouille. I don't know if I'm lagging because of the Rust analyzer, but let's see. In the meantime, while this is being compiling, I'm gonna find something else to work on because grind never ends. You know what I'm saying? It's always there, always grinding. This one, action download artifact. This is it's another easy one. Just doing dependency updates at this point, but whatever, I guess. Alright, there's another. Okay, there are like actually a couple of ones here. Let's see. Just dependency updates. Oh, we have some Winsider stuff too. That will be fun. That will be really fun. No promises, but I'm just hoping that it will be fun. Anyways, going back to this thing. Download artifact. By the way, I'll probably just get copyrighted because of the music, but anyways. All my streams are demonetized, so if you wanna support me on these links. Mods, come on. Mods. Come on. Be quick. I already said that, so you gotta just send the link by now. I should just get new mods, man. They are not quick enough. I don't know your links. Ban. Insta ban. Insta ban. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. Don't use the dollar sign on YouTube though, because I cannot withdraw that money. If you send me money through YouTube, YouTube wants me to receive a package which will contain a code, and that code simply should be entered on YouTube's AdSense or whatever. What the hell did you do? Okay, those are the links, guys. Support me on those links. Thank you, Adam. And yeah, YouTube wants me to verify that I am real, and that's not happening because I am not real. I'm actually a rat. So I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get the money from YouTube now. So don't send me money on YouTube. But if you want, you can. I'll probably get that one day in the future. So send me money on YouTube. Okay, just press the dollar sign button. All right. What is this, by the way? I pretend that I'd read this, but I didn't actually read it. That's fine. Just approve it. That what could go wrong here? Just a little backdoor. Won't do anything. Won't bite you. Why not focus on writing code to make your own game? You just make me question myself, and I got like a 2 seconds of existential crisis because of that question. But yeah, why not? Tweets are simply better, open source and stuff. Yeah, I mean tweets. Maybe we can make a tweet game. How about that? Let me merge this. I don't care, just merging stuff randomly. No pun intended, because now we're working on Rand. But this looks good now. Finally, we have a working Ratatouille. It's working. Yeah, support me on those links, guys. Send me, I don't know, $5, $10, whatever you wanna send me. That's, yeah. In Turkish, we. Yeah, that was the saying, guys. I hope you catch that. Fucking internet. Yeah, I hope you catch the saying. Did you hear that? Because I was just saying that while my internet was gone. Not really. I just realized that my internet was gone and I stopped. And now we should be back. We're down to 8 viewers. Guys, what the hell? Why did you quit the stream? Why did you just quit the stream? They just quit on me. I feel bad now. So the saying is, whatever just comes from your heart, okay? Whatever you feel like donating, donate. I feel like I'm a charity now. I'm not a charity. I'm not gonna do something useful with your money. I'll just buy coffee, and yeah, that's useful actually. Why not? Yeah, that's good. Run cha-cha. Let me see that. Cha-cha. I'm a little bit sad that because 3 people just left the stream because I was yeah. Why do we still have a dependency on 3.1? This should be 0.9.0. All right. I think I'm finally done with the Rand stuff. I really don't like dependency update, but this should be actually done. Terminal version of colors RGB. Alright. These two will just go away after my PR. Let me actually cook up the PR now. Now that we have Rand, every Rand stuff going on. Okay, chore, bump, Rand dependencies. Lucas, are you still here or just leave the stream when I get disconnected? Toml or YAML? Toml. 24/7. Toml. YAML feels like too DevOpsy. You know what I'm saying? Of course, Toml. Yeah, Toml. Hey, Lucas. How are you doing, Lucas? I just want to break the ice after I make so many jokes about you. How are you doing, Lucas? YAML is like Python and Tom is like everything else. Yeah, I mean, YAML YAML is okay, but I mean TOML is fine. The only problem that I have with TOML is that the arrays are a bit weird. You know, the double brackets and stuff. Yeah, it's a bit weird, but I mean it works, I guess. So I need some sleep, but I can't until I finish my grind. What do you mean finish your grind? That's not possible. That's not possible. Are you sure you wanted to say finish? Cause yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. That must not happen. I'm gonna push to rotate. No, I'm gonna push to my fork. Pull request closes on that specific project. Okay, thank you for clarifying. That's better. Thank you. Just gonna be specific all the time. Grind is super important, you know. Just gotta be make sure that it's still happening. Closes. Let me put this thing over here. All right. Hopefully this will actually work. Oh my god. Are you serious now? No verify. Let me just push to my fork without verifying. Don't do this at home, by the way. All right. Let me copy this thing. Grind is never done. Never. It only ends when you are in a casket. It's dark, but it's the truth. Adam knows that very well. He's been just grinding super hard these days. I don't get to chat with him at all. He just disappeared for a long time, actually. 07. Alright, we got everything ready. Let's just push this button and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'm pretty busy lately. Adam, are you grinding on a day job or something like that? I'm not joking, by the way. Like, I'm not really joking about McDonald's. I'm just curious about what you are doing these days. Genuinely curious. Alright, let me check out the main and pull that. Let me check out to this branch again. Wait. Rebase on top of it. Force push with no verify. That's like super illegal, but whatever. Alright. Force push with no verify. Worked fine, I guess. Yeah. Alright, we're just gonna wait for things now. Wait for things to break, as always. I mean, I have a day job, but it's not taking up all the time. Things just stack up. Got it. Why has this been closed, actually? Okay, if it's closed, then I don't care. I didn't mean to go to Vim fandom. Alright. Cargo dependencies with a bunch of updates. Well, can I just scroll? Thank you. Octocrab, RS test, started JSON. Guys, can you believe that there are so many Rust libraries that people really work on? It's just crazy to me. Like, just imagine how much time people have spent on these packages. I don't know. Just sometimes I just question it, but yeah, the open source is just, yeah. I don't know. I feel bad because they probably just work on them for fun and you know, enjoying writing some code, but at the same time they are pretty important, so they should be funded properly. Hopefully they have sponsors. I mean, I know Tokyo has sponsors, but talking about the other smaller libraries such as RS test and stuff like that. The strip ANSI escapes. That one probably... Okay, let's see. Alright, I'm just curious, okay? let's go to the profile of the maintainer, because I am just curious about who's maintaining this library and if he is properly funded or he has any sponsors. I'm gonna start a repo. It's like that meme with the whole internet depending on one small OSS lib a guy made in basement 20 years ago. Yeah, exactly. So this been around for fucking 8 years. Okay, that meme just becoming real right now. Look at this. This been around for 8 years. This guy is still maintaining it. Loser. I didn't mean to say loser. His username is basically loser. Anyways, not much activity, first of all. No sponsorship or whatever. He has a Twitter though. Let's see his Twitter. Twitter does not exist. Great. Let's see his website. Okay, he has a Mastodon now. That's better. All the good stuff is in the links above. Finally, this page gets some style to it. I mean, it has a style. What do you mean? Change style. Ali user. Sexy website. Yeah, I mean, switcher.php didn't work. So, I don't know what to say, but... Alright, anyways. 16 hours. Let me actually give him a follow. Let me give him a follow if I can find him here. Alright. Follow. Hack of all trades. Cocktail nonsense. Cocktails I made. Wow. This guy's cool, man. This guy's cool. This guy is not a loser at all. I don't know what these are, but just bunch of reposts. Anyways, the cocktail stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god. This guy is alcoholic. I'm just kidding. I'm 70% positive that's a Polish last name. What does it mean? It's an alien language. It's not cow language for sure. Trace tree. Alright, this guy is just chilling. Oh my god, look at 2010. He was just contributing. He started to grind with this project, Crash Me. He's just crashing. An extension for crashing Firefox for test purposes. Man, this guy is fucking flexing, dude. Like he was like, okay, I'm gonna write an extension for crashing Firefox, and now he's just making cocktails. What do you know about that? Manhattan. Dude, I'm not a big cocktail guy. I don't even drink, but these looks fire. Rating. Oh wow, he's just super detailed too. Gimlet. Actually, this looks fine to me. This looks okay. Times made 2. Oh my god, total unique cocktails 300. That's fucking crazy. This guy's liver is like, let me stop grinding. From hacker to alcoholic. The Polish way is just alcoholic and sometimes alcoholic hacker. What's the like? How do I like sort these? I'm just curious about his favorite one. Is this like the ones at the top? Can't even scroll in this website, dude. Times made Manhattan. It's like, it's quite classic though. Like, I don't know much about Manhattan, but first May 2020. I guess yeah. The other ones he just made once because he didn't like them probably or something. But really, I mean, I respect the grind of just having a website for the cocktails. Like it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. It's pretty cool. I mean, everything looks the same to me. Don't get offended, but like, yeah, I mean, I'm not, as I said, I'm not like a cocktail guy. everything looks the same to me. But this looks good. The art of choke. Yeah, anyways, it's just nice to look at. I wish the images were loading faster though. But yeah, just had a little moment where I was contemplating open source. We're just drinking more beer, and instead of vodka, we're drinking Slivo Weiss. I butchered that name, Slivo Weiss. Never heard of that. Sounds like a metal band. Slivo Weiss, like, or not like metal, but alternative something. All I drink is just water. Can you make a cocktail with water? I'm just curious now. This actually worked. Yeah, that just worked. Hello, Trianox. Feel like long time no see. How are you doing? Cannot approve my own PR, of course. After drinking that, you'll sound like from metal band, that's for sure. What does it even contain? Wait, Slivo Weiss? Slivo Weiss. Holy shit, this looks fucking... Oh my god. Are you sure this is safe to consume? Dude, this can't be safe to consume. Like, it has 40 to 70% alcohol. It's like, at that point, you're just drinking cologne. The fuck? And this looks so fucking badass too. We don't have this in Turkey. This is like super Polish or super, I don't know, Czech or... Yeah, you got me. I don't think you will sound. You're just gonna be silent for the rest of your life. Just fucking drunk forever. 40 is very weak. Bro. 60 is 7 is... What the fuck are you guys drinking, dude? You guys have a insane amount of power in your livers or something. Your liver is just actually carrying the real grind, not you. I was traveling a lot these past weeks. How is it going with Ratzilla? It's going good. I'm gonna present it in 2 days, 3 days. Saturday, I'm gonna present it, and we've been just grinding here as well. Just we have a nice documentation. Some demos are deployed. Look at these, beautiful. What do we else? What else do we have? Sorry. This world map thing. You know, we just making this better. Hopefully, people will like it, and I'm gonna keep maintaining it for sure. I have this website too. The animation's not working though. But anyways, yeah, it's going good. Thanks for asking. Not trying to get political, but it's crazy how alcohol is normalized and even promoted by the government in Poland. So fucking insane. I don't drink, by the way. Yeah, to me it feels like that too. But I never been there, but the amount of acceptance towards alcohol is just crazy. I mean, here it's the same. Like it's been just being sold everywhere. But yeah, it's quite expensive though. So not a lot of people. I mean, if you're an alcoholic, you'll find a way to actually get something. But yeah, it's just like a drug, man. Like a drug, you know. So yeah. Just tilted my head this way to do some coke. Sorry. Okay, let's see. And true, and other drugs are off the limit. Yeah. I'm looking at it now, and it was really fast, man. You were on the grind for sure. Also, good luck with the presentation. Thank you a lot. We've been grinding really hard. Yeah, that's for sure. Shout out to my man Martin. He helped out a lot with that. But yeah, I still don't have a logo though, so that's kind of sad. But you cannot get everything, right? We're gonna get there. But what I want eventually is have a website called RV2E yet, and have that website built with Rat, so that would be cool. I use Arch, by the way. I use Temple OS, by the way, beloved. I'm talking more like example. Weed is so demonized compared to alcohol by the law and in general. Yeah, it's illegal here. At least there's some fake ass weed shops in some countries in Europe. They're super fake though. That shit's not fucking weed. Just saying. But not. I'm not talking from my experience, by the way. I'm basically like, yeah, I haven't tried. Swear to God, no. But yeah, whatever. Oh, that was close. Tui cam. Let's see if this has been packaged. No, all right. I'm not gonna package it though. Let's see. We have some stuff in Binsider, as I told you. Let's see the Binsider stuff now. 1 second, I'm gonna find it. So many emails, man. Alright, there's this one, and should be good for now. I think these two should be good enough. This one and the other one. This one is an issue though. We can just take a look anyways. It's legal in Czech. Hey, which desktop environment are you using? I use GNOME. I'm using i3 Window Manager. I'm not using any desktop environment. That's why it's sad. Compare a group of drunken people with a group of high people on weed and we will make more mess. In Czech, it's not legal. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you have a point. You have a point. I'll give it to you. Yeah, here it's not legal as well. Weed is not legal. Fix CI with Clippy fixes, update some dependencies. Let's see what this is about. Oh, there's some fixes. I basically missed a lot of PRs. Let me actually tweak the settings here, because I realized the workflows are not being run. I gotta, yeah, just tweak that so that they are being run. Alright, let's see now. It is depenalized, right? Or something, yeah. You can have a medical treatment when you have cancer. In my country, it's legal to sell or buy weed, but our country is one of the biggest supplier of weed for Europe. After half of the Netherlands' weed supply comes from Morocco. That's interesting. I didn't know that. And you have a specific amount of different drugs on you without going on jail. Guys, why are we talking about drugs now? But that's quite an interesting topic. I don't want to get banned on YouTube, so I'm just gonna censor the words while I'm talking now. Whenever I say weed, I'm just gonna say Rust, and the other stuff I'm just gonna change it with the program language names, because Rust is drug too. Absolutely. Yeah, man, smoking Rust every day. 420. Blaze it, because it's blazingly fast. I just read online that it's legal for recreational use, but the possession is decriminalized. So yeah, smoking Rust, dude. Hell yeah, 420, all day. What are these? These are just Clippy fixes, I think. Alright, that's fine. Dependency updates, ether tools, term, background, which to input, this error. Alright, these are all good, I think. Alright, these are just failed though. MSRV failed, cargo deny failed, commit format failed, but let's see what way they failed actually. As I'm saying, you can only have it on you, but you cannot use them logically. Yeah. Guys, we should just meet in Adam's basement and blaze some Rust, if you know what I'm saying. Just bring your laptops and your lighters and PHP books. We're gonna set that shit on fire and have the best day of our lives. Of course, while grinding. Of course. No, not saying that we won't be grinding. 420 Rust all day long. Dude, this stream is too clippable at this point. I'm just gonna post clips of these to Rust Jerk, Reddit, subreddit. Alright, I'm just gonna squash and merge. Actually, let me see. For the sake of having a better commit structure, I'm gonna pull the commits and change them. Manipulate the commits. Let me pull it first. Are you guys going to any conferences? Is there any chances that we can meet and have the grind conf at last? Or isn't that gonna happen this year? Let's just meet at, you know, I don't know. I wish I was going to freaking Rusticon in Poland, but it's just yeah, conflicting with another conference. Just sad. Big CI. Let me just rebase them. Rebase. Edit. Alright, commit A. Fix Clippy. Apply Clippy suggestions. Isn't C like better or something? Better than what? I mean, if it is of course better than PHP, but if you're talking about Rust, then we have an issue. But yeah, just can you be more specific? Orhun Con, gonna happen. That's gonna happen on my birthday, June 12th. Note that down. Alright. C is just legendary. Holy C is just holy. I don't know. C is, I would disagree that C is better than Rust. Stop while you can. That's not a threat. He's not gonna ban you, but you know. Downwards. You have a super fucking creepy profile picture. Oh my god, what is that, dude? Is that Jeff the Killer version 2 or something? Holy shit, that's super creepy. Is that you? Downwards. Wait a minute, I gotta check your channel now. Dude, you look like Jeff the Killer. And I hope that's not you on the picture. You look super underage. If you're like, if you're underage and if you're just defending C, we'll just ban you. You know that, right? Mods ban this C guy. Yeah, just go ahead and ban him. I'm just super creeped out right now, dude. YouTube is weird. Am I streaming on YouTube Kids? He's cool. Guys, I'm not streaming on YouTube Kids, right? I wish I am not. Dog. Just said dog. That's it. Alright, I'm just gonna force push it actually. Rust channel for kids. I think you were searching for the game Rust, not the programming language. I don't know how you end up here. I'm gonna approve it. Can you... I would appreciate if you can also Update the RSS dependency in another under PR, not MR. MR is from GitLab. Alright, I never just get the distinction between the names here. Like, okay, it's PR on GitHub, MR on GitLab. It's fucking stupid. Just call it PR everywhere. If somebody's following a convention, just fucking follow it already. I don't know why I'm ranting and just super heated right now, but god damn it, dude. Every time I'm talking about a project on GitLab, I gotta fix that shit in my head before I talk about it. I gotta, like, you know, initialize the conversation in my head with replacing PR with MR. That's fucking stupid. Oh my god. Yeah. Anyways, what the hell I was saying? I'm just gonna rebase and merge because I changed the comment messages. Ferris Adventures. It's not a kid show. Remember SVN or Mercury? I know them, but I don't remember them because I never use them. I use SVN. I don't know if there's something called PR or MR in SVN, to be honest. Okay, cargo dependencies bump. I'm just gonna close them because I think, oh, not, maybe not this one. I'm just gonna close this one. Closed. Code cow. Somebody just make a. They should make a service called Code Cow, like, you know, the cow animal, instead of coverage. That would be fun. And then kind of like promote it as a new Code Cow and put a backdoor in that and just profit. Yeah, don't take my advice. Mercury was very similar to SVN, but with better support for large files. Those things just disappeared. I don't know what happened to them. Got obsolete with Git, and now Git's gonna be absolute with JJ probably. Jujutsu. Let me just confirm this. Alright. This stream has been bumping dependencies so far. But it is what it is, guys. Just the life of a open source developer, right? Just bumping dependencies. It's kind of depressing, actually. Feels like I'm not doing much work here, but anyways. Let's see what this is about. Study make symbol sortable. Yeah, this hasn't been updated. I'm gonna update these things before I create a release. Not now. But yeah, static libraries. Let's see about this one. It happened. So how does a person like you learn how to write Rust without going through hundreds of videos? Just go hundreds of documentation instead. He's the one doing videos, I guess. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you just kind of like write code and learn that way, I guess. You kind of like you want to do something and then you realize it's not possible, and you kind of research why it's not possible, and then you kind of see that, hey, there's this concept in Rust. It's called borrow mechanism that will fuck you so bad that you will learn every detail about it. So yeah, I just kind of learned that way, I guess. That was the worst explanation ever, but anyways. So support static libraries lib ___ a archives of ELF subfiles. Interesting. Static A library is essentially our archive of ELF files. I think the file reader could simply merge multiple ELF files together when displaying, or some context or stream concept would be introduced to some screens, allowing switching between individual ELF files in a single archive. Interesting. To try out, locally use rx file to extract all file which already can be viewed with Insider. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that. Insider, pull that. Try and fail and do it again. Classic. Absolutely. Absolutely. One thing that you should not forget is that you should keep grinding to make progress. Okay. Sometimes it feels like you're not making progress, and sometimes you do not feel like you want to grind. You don't feel like grinding, and it's fine. You just gotta do it. You just gotta do it every day, every second. You just grind. grind, and then you're just gonna eventually make progress, okay? There's no fucking way that you're not making progress if you're grinding. If you're not making progress, then you're not grinding. Like, it's so fucking like easy actually. You wanna learn something, you're just gonna really focus on that and really trying to make progress. And you know, sometimes you feel like, okay, you did some things, but you didn't really lead to anywhere. It's totally fine. Just keep trying. Keep trying, dude. I'm gonna copy the Binsider binary here. Cargo target. Debug Binsider. And what do we run on that? RX Binsider. Wait, what is this guy even mentioning here? Try out locally, but how? Which? Okay, I need to get some more context about this. RX file. Which file though? When I'm learning, I try to recreate popular tools or create a tool for me to scratch my own itch, because learning when it's pragmatic, it yields better results in my OP. Just do it. Yeah, let's just do it. And I think recreating popular stuff is a good way too, because you basically got inspired by them and you wanna, like, you know, create similar thing. And down the line, you just make something different, and it's your own implementation. It's a good way of learning too. Just imitate, right? Yeah. Hello, thanks for creating the issue. All right. Open source communication 101, creating the issue. Wave. Always wave, guys. Don't ever skip the wave emoji, all right? If you skip that, you're a rookie. Just always put the emoji. All right, first we got that. If you wanna sound more warm, just say hey. If you put multiple Y's, that's gonna be a flirty mode, okay? You don't wanna flirt with people. You wanna get shit done, okay? Don't put multiple Y's. Just one Y with hey, and then one other thing, little sentence here. Have manners, put the wave emoji. All right, what's next? I wanna get more explanation about what's gonna happen when this thing is implemented. So I'm just gonna ask some questions. Always ask multiple questions, because you wanna be able to have everything clear in your head. And you want things to get take more time, so that you're not doing work. But no. Anyways, let me just comment here. 1 second. Just watch me, okay? I don't want to explain every step of mine. Just watch me and do the same. Don't, but yeah. Interesting feature request. Would you mind giving me information about when this would be useful in a real world scenario? I'm not that familiar with utilizing A files myself. I'm not sure if I understood this correctly, but okay, what is the A file actually? Unix A files. Let's see. Watching. Thank you, Ferris. A files. It's A file. No. I need a example A file. How do I get a A file? Let me ask ChatGPT. Are you guys using DeepSeek? I heard that some people already switched to it. I don't know if I should switch, so let me know if you have any ideas about DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Okay, how can I get an A file on Linux? It's not gonna get the question if I don't put the quotes. So yeah, I gotta compile something, of course. Gonna use R. God damn it, so many steps. Optional. Give me a shell script to get a file at the end. Why are you using ChatGPT and not GitHub Copilot if you got GitHub Pro? Dude, I just want to ask a question. Just easier that way, just anonymous, you know. Not really anonymous, but anyways. Oh my god, so many stuff. Alright, I'm just gonna ask them to give me a example. Would you just wanted to try out for myself. All right. Just need more contexts for this. I'm gonna put a question here. Yep, that's that, guys. Copilot sucks. Literally has the GPT models included, and it's faster on the pro tier. I have a very noob question. Is there like a easy to use Copilot chat available somewhere on the browser? Because I don't want to just spin up Neovim to ask questions. I'm not defending it, it does suck. Okay. There was a comment. Alright, let me delete these. Run cancelled. Kickstarter. Sergio Moya asks, do you enjoy orange juice? Absolutely. How about you? Do you enjoy it? I don't know why I put question mark there. Can you try DuckDuckGo? No, I don't want to do it because it has Go in its name. I know a little Python and I was thinking to learn Rust after SQL. What do you think? Go for it. DuckDuckGo chat is way slower. I don't know what DuckDuckGo chat is. Is that another AI chat thing? Add image for tests. Let's see. Sure, give me a sec. The reason for the readme was to clarify that remove the image file might not be a good idea. Should be. Since there are not 1,000 people working in this project, we should be good. Sad, but true. Resolve. The anonymous one, privacy respecting. Privacy respecting. generally is better. I don't know what better is, because I mean, everything's just AI at this point. You're just gonna get your answer. I really don't know. Maybe I'm just a boomer at this point. Alright, let me see. Let me see. There is one little thing that I wanna do in the git conventional. What was the name of the project again? Hold on. We're gonna write Rust now, guys. We're gonna actually go ahead and write Rust. Conventional commit parser. So conventional commit parser. There's this project which I wanna work on. There's this issue where it's not really parsing the commits in the correct way. So I think I have it cloned already. Hold on. Conventional commit parser rs. What, such a long name. And the thing is, now if I run tests, you'll see it. When there's a white space in the scope, this thing fails. And I created an issue. By the way, this is pretty deep. There was like 3 issues before that, and this is like the last point that I kind of reached. So we're gonna add a feature flag, I think. Another alternative would be to add a functional and post parsing validation. Some predicates. This will not require a feature flag though. This will allow to support many user specific validations. I mean, it's gonna be a bit of out of scope of what I want though, because otherwise, you know, I don't know. Let me think about it actually. Again, self-host search ng and DeepSeek and create your own AI-powered search and enjoy privacy. Dude, when you say self-host, that sounds expensive. Need to go, almost forgot to eat because of grind. See you, man. See you, Lucas. Thanks for joining, my man. Don't forget to get some bread too. You know what I'm saying? I'll see you in the next one. Let's catch up on Discord. All right. Yeah, I don't know about this. Post parsing validation with some predicates. Let's see why this is failing. Parse scope with white space. Parse scope with white space. Parse summary. Let me see what this function is. Parse summary. Also, I'm using this in... I am actually not using it directly, but Release Place is using it in its own library, and I'm depending on that library, so it's like 3 layers deeper. So I gotta see if how this is being used. Conventional commit parser, conventional commit. How do you parse commits? How do you parse commits? Conventional commit, commit type, conventional commit. Is there a function for just parsing it? Yeah, I think that's how it works. Okay, conventional commit parser, parse. That's the thing that I need. Oh, it's the test grammar. Oh my god, too many annoying libraries here. Okay, parse summary. I gotta just see the... Oh my god, are you serious? I gotta update the grammar file now to be able to do this, right? Grammar pest. Do I want to do that? Look at this. Now, this is how you parse conventional commits, right? And I basically want to... Actually, let me try to do it now. Scope. Where's the scope? Parent left. Scope content. Scope content should be changed here. Scope content, no white space. I just gotta remove this thing, probably, and the test will pass, right? Oh my god. Let's see if it's gonna pass. If it's gonna pass, I don't wanna... Like, I don't wanna do this. Let's see. Come on, why is it taking so much time? Actually, after this, I'm pretty much done. It's been already 2 hours, so let's see if it's gonna work. And then, oh, it failed again. Why did it fail? No parentheses, new line, any. Scope content should just work actually. Scope content, parent. I don't know why it failed. Maybe I should look into these things. Scope. Scope. Sure, that sounds like a more flexible solution. Let's see the issue again. Do you mean adding a example post-process function to what was the function name? For manipulating the parsed commit. In the meantime, I looked into adding a supporting this with a feature flag, and it seems like it can be configured on the pest level. Pest is the grammar parser. If you have never worked with parsing stuff in Rust, Pest is one of those libraries, and I don't like it that much because of this this grammar stuff, and also it's a bit slow because it's parsing the grammar each time. I'm not sure if there's a tree setter for Pest actually. Let me try to install one. Pest, I don't think there's. Has anyone ever worked with this before, or any parser things in Rust? I wonder what you guys think. Pest is cool. Okay, first knows. I tried it once, actually twice, but each time I was like kind of having some difficulties with debugging the grammar and so on, so wasn't super pleasant. I prefer doing stuff manually if it's not complicated. I mean, how are you gonna parse conventional commits manually? I hate Pest, everything is weird. Everything is weird. Yeah, I agree with that. I work with something similar called Moo tools, but in TypeScript. I have no idea what that is. But okay. Actually, I'm curious now. Moo tools. Moo tools. JavaScript framework is really done. Okay, why am I now interested in JavaScript all of a sudden? Dude, I have changed after Ratzilla. I started making websites using Rust and WebAssembly, and now I'm looking at mood tools because I'm interested. Normally, I should have just said okay and just move on, but now things have changed. Anyways, so dark. Everything is so dark. No external diff. Let me copy that. Put it here. I'm gonna remove this header thing here. I'm gonna remove this thing as well. Diff. Is there any other way to make it configurable? That does not work, by the way. It's just sad, dude. It is just sad. Okay. I don't know why that didn't work actually. Oh, it actually worked. All right. I'm just blind. Pest runtime configurable. Is it runtime? I don't know. Let's search for it. Pest. I'm not talking about these. I'm talking about the pest parser. Build parser from grammar string at runtime. Interesting one. Oh man, it's from 2020. At some point I was so annoyed by the grammar stuff in Pest that I joined Pest's matrix room on Element, and I asked questions there and nobody answered. Maybe they answered, but I don't remember what happened there. But I was like, I remember being super annoyed and not being able to parse what I want. And I was like, okay, what do I do? Just join their metrics and just ask questions there. I don't know. They have Discord now though. I don't know what happened to their matrix. But anyways, let me search for configurable issues. Configure. I don't know how this would work because now, you know, I want to change the grammar with a feature flag. How does this even work? Because at the point where we are parsing, we already parsed the grammar, so we know what to parse on. But we want to change that somehow before we parse the grammar. Too much parsing in one sentence. My brain cannot parse anything anymore. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna wait for the answer. This works, but the maintainer does not want that as a default behavior. So yeah. Anyways, that was a little rusty session that you got there. What is this goofy ass music, by the way? Alright, let me see what else we have here. It's just so goofy. Monorepos. Mantui. Alright, we have a bunch of videos. I have 70 emails now, which means 70 things to work on. You can try GNOME. It's a better way to create a safe parser. I'm playing try it out. I have a better option for you. This is what we're using in Arch. It's Vino. It's a better maintained GNOME, I think. And we've been just using this and it's quite fun. There's one live stream that I tried this out actually. I not tried it out, but I learned about Vino in one of those streams. It was titled Cooking Parsers with Vino or something like, I don't know. You can check that out if you're interested. I tried this out and it was fine. It was good, and I kind of like suggested that to the other guy who was working on the project, and now he's trying to like write parsers for everything using Vino. So Vino just broke him. He's like trying to write parsers for every small thing now. So yeah, Guys, I'ma go now. It's been 2 hours. I gotta grind on other projects now. I'm not gonna go and rest. You know me. I'm just gonna grind. Never ends. So yeah, any last minute questions or anything like that, I'm gonna answer you and then just gonna go and grind. Thanks for the suggestion. Gonna check it out for sure. For sure, man. What is this banger, man? I don't know. It's really good, right? I like this too. It's called this song. Okay. It's yeah, it is really good. It is very goofy and breakcore. Goofy breakcore. Shout out to Jay Lays, my man. Thanks for cooking this banger for us. It's been a pleasure, everybody. I'ma go now. Buy the merch. We have Gitcliff merch now. Oh my god, it looked really goofy when I stretch it. Don't stretch it, okay? Gitcliff. Gitcliff. I'm gonna post the link in the chat because our moderators are sleeping. Gitcliff. I don't even know what breakcore is. You're just missing out then. So yeah, Gitcliff guys, Gitcliff. Check out the project. I'm actually gonna learn how to play the drums, and I'm gonna do breakcore music at some point in my life. So yeah, that's one of my other goals. Metalcore. I don't know what metalcore is, but I don't think so. I don't think it's like super fast drums and some ambient like liquid DNB atmosphere, you know. Open to collab. I make music. That's awesome. Are you on Discord? Just join Discord. I'm making music now, more actively, so we can collab. We can collab. What I made 2 days ago was a bit like shoegaze rock type of thing, but let's collab. Trianox. Are you on Discord? Join Discord, please. Come on, moderators. Put the Discord link in the chat. Where are you, Adam? Where are you, Adam? Just join that grindhouse.dev, okay? Thank you. Thank you. That also works. Mods. Is this... Yeah, that works too. I mean, that's just the same link. For sure, I'm going to join right now. Yeah, there you go. I posted my latest MP3 there. Go ahead and listen to it if you're curious. But yeah, I really want to like learn how to play drums. I just need a bit of more time and more like, you know, free from other projects, and then I can just, you know, learn how to play, have like an actual drum kit and just, you know, do breakcore. That would be so fucking sick, dude. My only motivation is just to make breakcore music, just very fast drumming. Shut the fuck up first. I'm doing my job. Okay. I'm gonna go. Guys, thank you. It's been a pleasure. I might live stream early like this from now on, starting from next week maybe. Bro, my GitHub fork was processing triggers from ManDB for 5 minutes for fucking vibe. Just wait. Just be a man. Just wait. Your name is literally man, so ManDB. Maybe that's why. Have you ever thought about that? Because, you know, you have so much database, man database, so yeah, I don't know. Thank you for your time. No problem. Everybody, I'm gonna go now. I'll catch you later, alright? Big conference soon, Saturday, wish me luck. I'm gonna just go ahead and kill it, as always. We're on the grind always, alright guys? I guess take care, and keep grinding, never stop. Never forget this, and also this, okay? Take care, goodbye, I'm out, ciao. Alright, let me learn some PHP now. I'm learning about arrays. Where's my directory for my PHP project. Oh my god, I love this programming language. It's so great. Wow. Wow. Just fucking revolutionary, man. Fucking Rust. I mean, what is Rust anyways? PHP is the good shit.